What should you actually do with intent signals today? In B2B, everyone's obsessed with capturing intent data, page views, content engagement, clicks, community activity. But most of that intent never becomes pipeline. Here's the real issue. Intent isn't just a score in your dashboard. It's a short moment when a buyer is ready to move. And that moment is fast. If you don't act in those 90 seconds of motivation, you'll probably miss it. So what should modern marketers do with intent signals? First, find where real buying intent happens. Don't just look at the signal, look at the source. Was it pricing, a marketplace, a comparison page, a community thread? Your biggest opportunities sit in those channels. Second, make those channels actionable. Add links that let buyers reach out instantly with zero friction. If a qualified prospect shows intent on a marketplace, give them a Let's Chat Now link there. If you send them to a form, the intent dies on the spot. Third, use AI and routing to do the heavy lifting. Enrich, qualify, and route in real time so reps join the conversation while intent is still hot, not days later. Finally, compare channels by intent and outcomes. Which sources create real conversations, opportunities, and revenue? Because today, if you push a high intent lead into a slow outbound sequence, you're losing them. Let's knock.